why so many tears. You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you, I never could leave, you gotta believe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I have a bomb fall unit for y'all from Omgherhair. The unit's affordable and it is absolutely stunning. The color is so rich and beautiful. Like, look at this. And guys, the unit smelled so good. I love when I get units that smell nice. And the curls, y'all, we're not gonna have to curl this hair or anything. This is a 360 lace unit, so there's lace around the entire circumference and the knots are bleached so well. Y'all, I was gonna wait to try the unit on, but I just could not help myself. It just looks so fly. I was like, I gotta see what this looks like even before cutting the lace. Listen, this color is just divine. And I love the placement of the streaks and everything. The highlights are gorgeous. This unit comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 at the bottom, and it is a longer comb. And there's an elastic band. It came packaged in this little Ziploc. This is what it looks like. You can adjust it as needed. And this is the amount of parting space, which is great. The pre-plucked hairline looks amazing. Everything about this unit, listen. Like, this is the one that you need to be wearing every single day of fall. Every day. The color is perfect. So now I'm going to begin cutting the lace off, and I do want to show you all this little line. That's where you're going to start cutting a 360 lace unit. I feel like it makes the cutting process so much easier when you start there, and then I just work my way around. And I did actually forget that I had not done the saliente method, so I stopped and then turned the unit over, proceeded to spray that on, brush it on with a little foundation brush, and then I went back to cutting the lace.
Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind.
All right, so now it's time to secure this bad boy down. I was so excited to do this one. So I'm gonna adjust the elastic band and also attach it to the unit first, just to show you all what it looks like. And the tabs do stick up on the side, but you guys can just follow my last video for the little trick that I showed you guys. If you're gonna wear a middle part, that's the way that you can use that trick. So this is what it looks like, but we're gonna be securing this one down with some got-to-be glue. So I'm gonna show you all that process, but I did wanna give those who may be wondering what it looks like with just the elastic band, what it looks like. Also be careful with the spray, the Sally Hansen spray. Let it dry a little more or else you're gonna have it on your makeup. So this is what I'm gonna use to secure my hair down. The got-to-be glue in the yellow bottle. I like that one so much better than the black bottle, and I've shared that a number of times. I'm just gonna spread that all over my hairline and then use my blow dryer on the cool setting in order to get it tacky.
I can tell by the look in your eyes, you're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time, so come to me. I got what you need, just know I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right. Whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you.
Now at this stage in the process, I always like to add a concealer or my foundation in order to conceal where the start of the lace is. So I'm just doing that, blending everything out. And I'm also going to put it on my edges because this unit doesn't fully cover all of my edges because I do have a little hairline. So where the peak is, I'm going to apply the concealer there as well. And that's going to help to mute where my hairline is before I do my baby hair.
It's funny how you came across my path, yeah. I can give you that good love and that will last. So place the other mister in your past. Yeah, you know it's true that you're worth more than you'll ever see. and see what this love can do. Ooh, oh, it's just gonna be us two. 'Cause baby, this love was made just for you. I promise you, baby, that I won't waste your time. I don't wanna waste your time. I'll make sure you're safe, make sure you're satisfied, love. You are a jewel, you are one of a kind, and I ain't leaving until you are mine.
So now it's time to set our work. So I'm just gonna apply a satin scarf just to the front perimeter, and I'm gonna allow that to set for about 10 minutes.
I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend.
Now this unit did come with these beautiful curls in it, but I did want to add some volume, so I decided to finger comb first, and I did notice that I was getting a bit of tangling and shedding, which is pretty normal for pre-curled hair. This is what it looks like. It was only a small amount, but I did want to show you all that. I did decide to use my detangling brush to brush it out a little more, and it did create some frizz, but I'm going to show you all the product that I used in order to tame the frizz, and it did such a good job.
Do all I can, whisper I love you. I'll hold your hand, I'll take care of you. I'll make you smile, look deep in your eyes. I'll ease your mind, kiss you just right. Whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can.
So now 10 minutes has passed, and it's time to remove the scarf, and I am in love with the results.
Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, honey, this unit is laid. This black and honey blonde highlight unit is so bomb, and it's sure to turn heads. The lace that was used is so awesome. It's really thin, so it makes it so much easier in order to get a really nice meltdown. The curls look so much better. I showed you guys the spray that I used. It's by the Main Choice. It's a natural hairspray, but it works wonders on my units. I use that a lot. Whenever there's frizz, that's my go-to. This unit is in length 20. I also got a cap size medium, and it fits me perfectly. The density is 150, and it says that it's thick on the website, and that's absolutely true. So I don't think anyone would necessarily need to go up in volume. I feel like 150 is sufficient, and y'all know I'm a girl that's all about volume, but this one was perfect. So now I'm going to show you all some styles, so keep watching.
I waited by the phone for 5 hours, staring out the window, trying to locate where your manners disappeared to, hoping you would come back with some excuse. But the absence of common courtesy left me confused. So why didn't you call? Hello, you couldn't pick up the phone. No. You had both numbers, but you didn't bother to pick up the phone. Why didn't you call?
Alright y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed it. Be sure to check the description box to the link and all the specifications to this unit. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye y'all.